Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're all fine and doing good. Today we're going to draw a butterfly using the number 8. So let's draw number 8 here horizontally. Then we draw number 8 here. It's like the body and eyes of the butterfly. Now we can do the tail part. Butterfly needs the wings on both sides. Let's put two wings on the right side and on the left side. We got two and two, total four wings. Let's give it the eyes. We can do the little more detailing. Let's make the wings a dynamic one. You know, the little detailings make the things pleasant. We see little segments here. This is it. The drawing is done. Now you know this is a simple line drawing. If we make it more pleasant, or if we want to make it visibility more good, then we have to put the shades here. Shades give it a 3D outlook. Let's do it like this. As you see here that the shades is coming from the line drawing only. It's like we're putting lots of hash here to make the shades. Sometimes we need the detailing. So each segment is clearly visible. As a butterfly flies in the air and it has the wings. So let's keep it flying and make the drawing dynamic. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video. If you like it, please subscribe and tell your friends about it and put the bell icons on so that next time if we come with a new video, you can get the notification. Thank you so much. Have a good day.